Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will explain you the questions and answer asked in December 2019, and then I will give you some most important points that you must keep in mind in regards to that particular work or writer, so that you don't miss out on anything and you can crack UGC NET in just one attempt. So let's look at the first question, which is based on feminist movement. So who among the following proposed that the English language is man-made, not woman-made? And the options given are Mary Hess, Dorothy L. Sayers, Dale Spender, Carol Chomsky. And the right answer is, yes guys, you have guessed it right. Good, very good. It is Dale Spender. Let's look some key important points about Dale Spender. Dale Spender is an Australian feminist scholar, teacher, writer. Important book titled Man-Made Language, which is based on Dale Spender's PhD research. Man-made language illustrates how linguistic determinism interconnects with economic determinism to oppress women in society. She is known for one beautiful quote, that is, feminism has fought no wars, killed no opponents, set up no concentration camps, stabbed no enemies, practiced no cruelty. Its battles have been for education, for vote, for better working conditions, for safety in the streets, for reforms in the law. So, these were some of the important key points you need to remember about Dale Spender. Let's look at the second question, which is from Age of Revival. Which three poets figure in William Dunbar's Lament for Macaires? And options given are Geoffrey Chaucer, John Gower, Robert Henryson, William Langland. And the right answer is Geoffrey Chaucer, John Gower, Robert Henryson. Let's look some key facts about this writer. Lament for Macaires is a poem written by Scottish poet William Dunbar. The four important poets that William Dunbar mourns in the Lament for Macaires is number first, Geoffrey Chaucer. Number 2 is John Gower. Number 3 is Robert Henryson. And number 4 is John Lydgate. So these four writers were lamented in Lament for the Macaires. Let's look at the third question. Which tales in Chaucer's Canterbury Tales deals with the murder of a child by Jews? Let's look at the alternatives. First is the Monk's Tale, second is the Second Nun's Tale, third is the Prioress Tale, and the fourth is the Shipman's Tale. Yes guys, it's right. The right answer is the Prioress Tale. Let's look some key facts you need to remember for next NT-UGC NET exam paper 2 English. Prioress Tale. This tale is classified as a miracle story. It is a tale focused on Virgin Mary and value of devotion to her. The prioress tells of a young Christian boy who sins miraculously after he is dead. Let's look at the fourth question, which is quite extraordinary. In the UNESCO definition, pamphlet is an unbound publication that is not a periodical and contains. And the right answer is no fewer than 5 and no more than 48 pages. Now, the full form of UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. And the definition given by UNESCO is pamphlet, a brief booklet in the UNESCO definition. It is an unbound publication that is not a periodical and contains no fewer than 5 and no more than 48 pages, exclusive of any cover. So this was a definition of pamphlet given by UNESCO. And the fifth question is from the literary term, that is, which two are associated with deconstruction? And the options given are Jacques Derrida, Raymond Williams, Paul de Man, Jonathan Dollimore. If you are well aware that Jonathan Dollimore is from the movement called New Historicism and Raymond Williams is from the but the Jacques Derrida and Paul de Man are the most closely associated with deconstructionism. So the right answer is Jacques Derrida and Paul de Man. Now some important writers associated with deconstruction are the three writers, that is Jacques Derrida, number 1. Now some important thing about Jacques Derrida is he is the most controversial figure and he is mostly associated with terms like deconstruction, logocentrism and aporia. The second writer associated with deconstruction is Paul de Man, and who is also the follower of Jacques Derrida, like he is a disciple of Jacques Derrida. And number 3 is J.H. Miller. So he has written an important work called Critic as Host. So these three writers, you must not forget, these three are commonly associated with deconstruction. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I am running this series for next NET exam and I will be posting more questions related to NTA NET exam which can help you boost your exam preparation.